Communion was not something new that our Messiah invented, nor is communion the Passover. So, what is it?
The disciples asked the Messiah, where shall we go to prepare
The Passover.
the Passover?
Exactly.
He's talking about the preparation day. So that's where communion is. That's what the Lord's Supper is the preparation day.
Steve Siefken presents Where Does Communion Come From? A step-by-step examination of ancient cultures, scripture references, and extra-biblical text that will give you a refreshing perspective on what communion is and what it's not. Where Does Communion Come From is our gift to thank you for supporting A Rood Awakening International. When you donate $50 to this ministry in July, we'll send you Where Does Communion Come From with Steve Siefken on DVD or Blu-ray. Donate $100 and we'll send you Where Does Communion Come From? Plus a matching tote bag and stainless steel water bottle set bearing the name of Yeshua in both English and Hebrew. Donate $300 and we'll send you the teaching, the tote bag and stainless steel water bottle set, plus a tabletop sculpture of a sailboat, engraved with a scripture verse from Proverbs chapter 3. These gifts are a limited time offer from Michael Rood to thank you for your support. Make your donation today and receive the $50 gift, the $100 gift, or the $300 gift. Get these exclusive thank you gifts when you make a donation to support A Rood Awakening International only in July. Call 888-766-3610 or get your gifts online with a donation at monthlylovegift.com.